Hey, what's going on? What is happening? What is happening, everyone? Well, we're back here, almost reached that high. So I actually got to recalibrate the settings here on Quant Tower because it seems like I have some sound alerts. Oh, we have a subscriber. Niggs. Hey, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the stream. So, still I'm looking for that 4-hour fair value gap. We almost hit that earlier, but actually we didn't. So let's see what's gonna happen. What's happening on gold? Gold is moving lower. I'm gonna break down the whole thing in a matter of minutes to see what's possible here. All right. All right. Okay. Should be fine. Now, what do we have? Isham, good afternoon. Oh, yo, absolutely welcome. Congratulations for the win. All right. All right. Absolutely. You know, I'm gonna pay, you know, by every 50 bucks, you know, every week 50 bucks. How about that? Maybe that's manageable for me. Hey Naz, what's going on? Good morning. CPI, I have no idea, Naz. You know I don't trade the news. Hold on. This is Canadian CPI. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. This is Canadian. We only have consumer confidence. I don't know what CPI is going to do with CAD. I'm not trading the CAD. Anybody trades the CAD? I'm waiting for actually to go into the 853s, to be honest. 850, well, 52 maybe. Well, at least to break those highs up there, 850. That should be all right. $850 level would be fine if we go for it. You will take that deal. All right, Isham. All right. Tom, come on. Try it out. With Evil small size. No way. No way, Ness. I'm not doing anything. I am not doing anything. Not doing anything with that. John, hey there. After reaching for a fair, looking for bears? I'm not sure. Not sure. I wanted to show you guys something on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour? No. Yes. Actually, never mind. That was yesterday. No. Was it? Was it yesterday? Almost. I just wanted to check for the consequent encroachment, aka mid-level, which is actually at, it's not 100% accurate, but it's like 95%, 98% accurate. The mid-level is 861.50. 861.50 on the 4 hours. So I can actually see that happening. 861.50. That would be 4 hour in the middle to the right. Let's go for that. That's interesting. Froyo YOLO, hey, where are we going today? I'm hoping that we will go into that 4 hour fair value gap up there. You know. That is something I'm just hoping. It doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna go there, but who knows, we might have a chance. It tried to push once, then, you know, reversed down, swept some more liquidity. Maybe this time, maybe it will go for it, but not sure. Futures are about to open. Comics is open. So Riggs Nix, hey, do you have multiple MyFunded Future? Yes, I do. Unfortunately, I've blown them. I really wanted to do very well with them, but you know, I'm doing it all over and over. The past 3 weeks was absolutely a mental challenge for me. I was really having some trouble focusing on my trades, but you know, it is what it is. All right. Why is the move already happening? It's nothing special is happening. It's just happening. It's not even confirmed 100% yet, because it can still go down from here. So it's actually a risky target on my end. So obviously this would be my target. After that, I have no idea. I would be looking for shorts, most likely, but yeah. Let's see. Let's check on gold too. What's happening on gold? Minor structure shift. Not really the one that I like. It swept the highs, so we can continue to target the lows. It would be actually a good idea. This is a congestion zone that I don't really like. With the not too perfect order block. Oh yeah, it was on gold. Yeah, sorry, gold. I was looking for a 4 hour mid-level, and this is the one I accidentally deleted this morning. It was the gold. So gold 4 hour mid-level should be right there. And in this case, you know, I would be still looking for the 1 hour fair value gap and the 4 hour mid-level. There you go. Let's see what's gonna happen. That's interesting. All right. Thank you, Rigsnix. Actually, today I was doing quite all right. I made almost $1,000 on funded accounts today. Yesterday, by the PM session, I was up $1,200 on 3 funded accounts, and then at the power hour, I wanted to do some crazy scalping. I don't know why. So I lost about a little bit more than $400 from that 1,200. So overall, yesterday I finished up with about 700 something. I was super crazy. I was an idiot in power hour with the funded accounts. I gave back profits at the end of the day. J-ho, hey, what's going on? But today I made it back. I made it back, so. Just trading on eBPV for me the rest of the week. Yeah, yesterday I think you broke bank. I think you made everything. Jackson, hey, good to see you. How's it going? I'm using some cologne. Green is green at the end of the day, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing all right. I'm up actually on some of the funded accounts. The other ones I didn't trade, but the ones that I traded, I can actually show you guys. I'm quite happy about the results for today. I was also trading a brand new evaluation account too. So this is a funded account. I'm up. How much is that? A little bit. It's around $321, I think. The other funded account also up $320 something on this one today. Trying to build it. I have another one. Started a new one with Apex. I have another one which I didn't touch. Also up around $300 something. But I'm not going to trade on these today. I'm switching to another accounts, and I was trading an evaluation account, a brand new one from BULENOX, up 755. But you know, I go crazy on the evaluation accounts. But overall today, that's all I did. But it's all right. I do have more accounts, but these are the ones that I traded today. Jess, good morning. How's everybody doing on this beautiful, beautiful morning? I'm watching for gold. It could be a little tricky, in my opinion. We could be going for the 1 hour fair value gap and the mid-level of that 4-hour drop from recently. So I'm gonna be keeping an eye out for possible long positions on gold. That doesn't mean I'm not going to take shorts, but you know. As for Nasdaq, it's hard to read. I love to see that level being taken, but If I would like to take a short, I'd like to see a displacement lower. So we'll see. We shall see. Damn, I should not drink more coffee. Look at that. Nasdaq is going lower. Wow. Could be taking out the 805 on this drop. 1 minute looks crazy. 5 minutes sure looks like it wants to break lower. It does definitely look like it. We have news? Oh yeah, the Canadian news. Oh yeah. We have the Canadian CPI. Okay. So I'm guessing this is not such a good news. Or is it? Change in the price of goods purchased by consumers. So stuff is getting more expensive, right? That's what it means. General medium price goods. Okay. So everything is getting more expensive, obviously. This should be not too good, right? Sorry, but I'm not good in economics. If everything is getting more expensive, that's not good for a household, right? Anyway. What do we have? Hard to tell. Inside this consolidation, even if we go for the 4-hour fair value gap, I think we are not going to have enough range to participate in the move. So, because I'm not going to go down to the 1 minute, I'm just going to have to wait. Devon, hey. That magnet is going to do magic. it's science. Price will go up. Oh yeah, it is. It is. Damn. Heard say there. How often do you come to the chart and see those opportunity to go? Hold on, I have to take a phone call. I'll be with you guys. Push the like and subscribe. Just a quick phone call. All right, I'm here. So how often do you come to the chart and see the opportunity to go either long or short? Usually traders get one bias for the day and execute accordingly. That's a very good question. I don't really have a bias for the day. So when London session starts, I don't really sit down and say, all right, my bias for the day is we're going to go up. I mean, honestly, no disrespect, because it's a good thing if you have a bias for the day. But my bias is changing during the day. I mark up the levels that I find interesting, both to the upside and to the downside. So to the upside, I marked up the 4-hour fair value gap / the 15-minute order block, which is here. This is the 15-minute chart, and this is the 15-minute order block. Order blocks, in my opinion, are always breaking. So this is what I did. I just mark up important areas that I think is important. In this case, the 4-hour fair value gap. On the downside, we marked up before the stream, I mean when we started the stream, the Asia lows and previous day low, and we have a sell side liquidity from June 12. So that's June 12, all right? If I see price or the market shifting the price with a displacement into or towards the direction of those interests, of those points of interest, then that's what I go for. It's simply where is currently the draw on liquidity. So because the market is somewhat timed, we have the kill zone in London, we have the kill zone in New York. There's not too many opportunities in that few hours, right? 3 to 4 hours tops. That's it. It makes it easier to make your decision. If you see the displacement to the direction of that level, then it makes it easier. Anyway, high time is good. You always want to have high time. That's true, Jeho. That's true. That's true. Absolutely. So it's always good to have a higher time frame bias. For example, here on gold, I do have a bias that I would like to see gold retest the 4-hour consequent encroachment or mid-level. It's the same basically, the mid-level of this swing drop, right? It doesn't mean if it starts shifting lower, I'm not going to participate in a short maybe, but anyway. Never tried Buleanox. What's their payout like? Are they close at 410 like MyFundedFutures? Do they have a trailing? Yes, the option 1 accounts is intraday trailing rigs. The option 1 account is basically the same as Apex has. Intraday trailing, no daily drawdown limit, right? Option 2, I have a code for that too. It's TomSabo2. So my code is TomSabo1 for option 1. Option 2 is TomSabo2. The option 2 accounts are end of day trailing and daily drawdown limit. But it's actually a soft rule. So if you breach the daily drawdown, you can still continue to trade the other day. So I would say that the option 2 accounts are basically the copycat of TopStep with a little bit more buffer to go with. So at TopStep, you have $2,000 on a 50K. At Buleanox, you have $2,500 buffer. And the daily drawdown limit is $1,100 on a 50K. It's a little bit better. The price is actually the same. With the discount right now, it's $52. Activation fee is less. It's $148, so $1 cheaper there. So it's basically the copy. Option 2 is TopStep copycat. Option 1 is Apex copycat. Basically, that's it. That's it. Weekly payouts, by the way, with Buleanox. Weekly, I repeat, weekly payouts. If you submit your request every Wednesday, they make a payout. But you have to leave the minimum threshold on your account, and the minimum withdrawal is $1,000, for example, on a 50K account, which makes it $3,600 minimum on your balance to be able to withdraw $1,000. But once you build up your balance, you can withdraw weekly, every week. That's it. Option 2 is not that bad. We might go high and down. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting. We're just waiting now. Gizno, thank you for joining. Is BULENOX going to do 90%? I have no idea. Maybe. Something's going to come up. All I know, guys, is MyFundedFutures is up to something with the starter accounts. I'm very excited for them. And I'm not going to lie, my all-time favorite is MyFundedFutures, not just because they give a very good commission for being their affiliates. No, but really, of course, I am affiliated with all these prop firms, but MyFundedFutures has everything together what you need in terms of freedom and trading. So my favorite is MyFundedFutures, and unfortunately I've blown my accounts, so I'm starting again. I'm doing everything all over. I was stupid for blowing up my account with them. Actually, I had more than one. I still have more. I'm starting all over with MyFundedFutures. Such a shame. But anyway, how many pairs SS did? 90% of the time I trade Nasdaq. 10% I'm trying to pick gold up. That's all. But I just picking up gold recently in the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I traded gold last year. It's really hard to focus actually on two markets. So it's 90% Nasdaq for me. You know, but if I see something good on gold, I'm trying to pick up with that too. But it's not always that. Nvidia starts trading at 4 minutes, huh? And then I noticed the NQ lobster reverse at the time. Really, today was a sick reversal. Oh yeah, Nvidia is actually moving Nasdaq pretty much. It does. So Nvidia is absolutely, I think it's maybe the strongest, one of the strongest stocks in the market. So definitely have to watch for Nvidia. Apple as well, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, all these, but these are important, of course. So because I did some good profits today on the funded accounts, I'm still looking for trades, but I'm going to be taking them on evaluation account. I don't want to give back profits to the market for today. So I made, that means if I make about around $300 on a day on one funded account, which I did today, on average, I wrote it down, $326 today on my funded accounts per each. I mean, the ones that I copy traded. I don't want to push it more. Making over $300 on a 50K funded account in one day is enough. Just move on to the next one, right? So I'm not gonna, at least not today, I'm not giving it back. VUZHX, hey there. I'm funded with BULENOX, Apex, TOPSTEP, and I was funded with MyFundedFutures too, but I blow it. So these are the ones that I'm funded with. I'm not funded with Take Profit Trader yet. By the way, Take Profit Trader has also no activation fee. MyFundedFutures has no activation fee. So just saying. Thank you. Thank you, Marco. So yeah, I'm very happy actually. Today I made overall almost $1,000 on 3 funded accounts. So I am not giving back money to the market from those funded accounts today. I'm continuing with evaluation accounts. I want to get to those payouts. I really want to get to those payouts because it's a slow process for me. And if I have a $300 day, guys, I'm stopping. And that's why I don't really care about consistency rule, and neither should you. If you are trading small and go for base hits, and you know, you have the time, you don't need to rush it. It's a marathon, it's not a sprint. If you make around $200 or $300 on any given day on your funded account, on a 50K, for example, then you should move on to the next account. Even if you want to trade, just move on to another account. Don't give it back. And that's why you should not be concerned about consistency rule. It doesn't matter. If you go for a few $100 on a day, consistency rule is never going to be affecting you. Never, ever, never. That's a good day. Yeah, thank you, 100 lot. Many people waiting for a payout. Yeah, I know. Not really. Unfortunately not. I'm still I still have around $1,600 to go on each of those accounts that I'm building. Actually, yeah, about $1,600 on average on each of the accounts. Yeah, you know, but I trade very small, so I make like that's why I'm saying I had a very good day today, over $300. If I have a good day, my average is like $150, $200 on a good day. So today I have an exceptionally good day. That's why I'm not trading the fundeds today more. So if you make $150, $200 per each account, that takes about a month at least. Even because you're going to have bad days, you're going to have break-even days, and if you're going forward, if you're pushing it with $150, $200 profitable days, that's going to take you 4 to 6 weeks or even more to reach for a payout. But after you reach that your payout threshold, you withdraw, for example, $1,000, for example, and building up that $1,000, it's going to be much faster and easier if you manage your risk properly. So that shouldn't take a month. So oh, well, I don't know about the policy on Apex with Rhythmic. I sure hope that they're going to fix it, because, you know, it's crazy. Hold on, let me open the window. No oxygen. So, Tom, you're smart. I'm not smart. Sir, in MyFundedFutures, if past the expert challenge, how many days do you need for the first payout? Bi-weekly payout, so 14 days, every 14 days. Adds up fast, yeah. And then claim that other prop firms are having lag issues as well. I'm trading with other prop firms. Yeah, I must say that all the other prop firms that I'm connected through Rhythmic have no issues. No issues with Buleanox, with Rhythmic, no issues on TopStep. So MyFundedFutures, I still have Rhythmic. They don't allow right now Rhythmic until Rhythmic is going to come up with some fix, or I don't even know, maybe they allow, but I have my Rhythmic accounts. There's no issue. The only issue came up through Apex. They say it's because of the servers. I don't know what to say. I'm not a computer geek. I'm actually a dinosaur. I don't know much about computers. And they claim that other prop firms are having lag issues as well. Yeah, I said that. Smart is smart. Yeah. Months go by fast. Tell me about it. Jesus. We just started out the year and we're already in July. That's crazy. How many contracts for the 300 you traded? I traded with 3 micros. 3 micros or 4 micros, something like that. 3 or 4 micros. I can show you actually, if you want to see. I trade micros, by the way. 3, 4, 5 micros usually. I don't trade. I very rarely trade with 10 micros or 1 mini. I don't trade minis because I'm risking about $70, $80, $100 on the funded accounts on a trade. So I only trade micros. Hey, do you know when the drawdown stops in 250? I think it's 6,500. Yeah, it's 6,500. That's the threshold. That's the trading stop. That is going to lock in, of course. The thing is, There is even claims of people getting banned from ES Discord. Oh, really? Yeah, I think I saw that video. I saw that video on YouTube. I don't really like that kind of thing, but I don't know. I don't know. I wasn't checking their Discord recently. Da-dum-dum, da-dum-dum. So, the 20% discount from the expert accounts at MyFundedFutures are going to expire this month. So grab it while you can. 132 bucks, including the activation fee. No daily drawdown limit, end of day trading stop, no withdrawal cap, and no consistency rule, and some other perks and features. So check it out. I made a video about it. $100K for 59. All right. I know that, for example, the 150Ks and upwards are 40 bucks at TopStep as well. I didn't know how much for the 100K NES, but it's good to know. I have a special unique code for that. EBPVUZHX. I emailed like 6 times, at least 6 times to Apex to have a custom code for me, and I just don't get my custom code. But I see streamers who just starting out and they have a custom code, but I don't. But anyway, if you would like to support the channel, you can use it. 40 bucks for the big accounts. It's crazy. An $85 activation fee. It's awesome. Yeah. I think the sweet spot, if you want to go with big accounts, is definitely at 150K. It has that, you know, but I don't know. Maybe Nez knows it better. I'm not sure exactly. I like the 150Ks for some reason, a little bit better. But, you know. Hey, Laszlo, it was like, welcome, Hungarian fellow trader. Have you got paid out from? I got paid from MyFundedFutures and TopStep. No payouts from Apex yet, and no payout from BULENOX, unfortunately. Most payout came from TopStep, but it is what it is. See ya. Are you Hungarian too? Ion Vajda. Servus. We have Hungarian people here. What's going on? Hey there. It was elected ticket. What size accounts do I use 50Ks. I'm having 150K with TopStep XFA. And that's it. Románia. Erdély? Nagyon jó, szuper, üdvözöllek. I like to see fellow Hungarians here. Szuper, örülök neki. Örülök. Hey, Prasad, welcome. We are invaded. Yeah. Stop supporting Apex, it's over with. They aren't paying out. I know quite a few traders they are getting paid out. We know about the ghost orders. I was reading about it. I was having ghost orders too. What can I say? Let's wait until the end. I'm building up my funded accounts to pay out with Apex, so I really hope that the issues are gonna solve, because I'm putting in the extra work with them. So I know people in person too, here in my country, in person, who got payouts recently, most recently. So anyway. Orange. Only YouTube. I know. RH. I know RH. Only YouTubers get paid out. What's your trade ID? For the Nasdaq, I would like to see the 4-hour gap to be taken. As you see, we are right now in a consolidation. It's not accurate. I'm just, visualizing it for you guys. We are in this consolidation. I'd like to see price breaking out from one of these levels. I'm favoring the upside at this moment. I would like to see the market take out the fair value gap here, the 4 hour. And then, so let me present it to you. I would like to see something like this. This is something I would like to see. If not, we have some targets up there. Still, we have some good targets, but not so good levels. I'm not saying it won't go back. We have the 20K still, but this is my plan. This is what I would like to see on Nasdaq happening. And on gold, I don't know what to think about gold. If I go to the 1 hour, looks like it wants to fall for another leg down, but we have the 1 hour gap and we have the 4 hour mid-level up there. We took liquidity from previous day high, so who knows? We might be able to break through these lows today and take out yesterday low, but this is the plan. I also have a funded kind of Apex. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it should be. I mean, let's hope for the best. Let's hope. Yeah, we will see what's gonna happen. We will see. But these are the levels that I'm looking for. Hey Subham, how's it going? The magnet is helping price go higher, actually. It's scientifically proven, actually. It's a scientific fact that if you put a magnet on the chart, it's going to draw the price there. Yeah. I can try, or what I can do is actually if you have a bigger magnet like this, that's actually stronger. You see, price is moving. I'm telling you, price is moving there. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Let's execute. Yeah. There is no hope. If you hope, you lose. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Spy Girl, good afternoon. Everything was great. I walked. Yes, I did walk today. Yes, I did. But it was very hot. I got all sweaty. But yeah. Look at this. The magnet is working. It's working. I'm not in a position, if anybody's jumping in right now, I'm not in a position. I'm just waiting. I have no entry. I have no entry. It's so good to see you guys here on the stream. Please push the like and subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a new giveaway hopefully soon. So so more giveaways are on the way. What is going on here? Ba-da-da-dum-ba-dum. I have to open the chat here. I forgot to put out a pin message for Top Step here, 20% off. I'm gonna pin this to the top. I've been trying to win giveaways. Come on, 100 lot. Come on. What is the best time to trade? You know, as always, I say the London kill zone from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and in New York from 10 a.m. to until lunchtime maybe, but 10 to 11, 11:30. That would be the best. You can start also at the start of the kill zone. So let me break it down to 3 parts. So first is the London kill zone, 2 to 5. And the other section is 7 until 9 and 10 until 11:30-ish. I want to leave out the 9 hour, so exactly this hour from 9 a.m. to 10 because we have the market open on Nasdaq. Maybe you can trade on gold if you see something, but we have the market open, manipulation comes in, news usually, you know, everything is kind of messed up. So better to leave out the 9 to 10 session. It's good to see the market, study the price action, but you know, I'm not saying I'm not taking a trade before 10 a.m., but it's better to wait at least 10-15 minutes after the market opens. So at earliest, I say 9:40, 9:45, because the first 15 minutes could be full manipulation. Your magnet could work. I'm long too. All right. I'm not in a position, but if anyone is long, I wish you guys good luck. Go for it. Go for it. All right. What can we do? Excuse me. I'm still a little bit sleepy. We're going to be having consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So that also makes us to wait until 10 a.m. news. Look at that. The magnet is working. It's official. It's working, guys. It's working. It's working out quite well. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Gold spiked the lows. Now that's interesting. All right. Actually, I like that. It did not take out the previous day low, but that's fine. It swept some liquidity, so how about that? Could be looking for some highs there. And the magnet is still working. No stopping until 53. Just saying. It's like 100%. Also, I might have to leave you guys for a bit after 11. No, after 10 a.m. Sorry. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the stream open. Maybe I'm going to keep it open. Hopefully, I'm going to be finished in about 20 minutes. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe if we see a nice trade opportunity, we can look for something. Oh man, this is boring. This is absolutely boring. I'm gonna put this guy here. Hey, Ashebs, hey, how's it going? And Fritz is here. Welcome to the stream. How are you guys? What's happening? Hope you made some good trades. I'm gonna shrink this magnet a little bit just to free up some space. Okay. Let's go. Why is it taking so long? I'm good. All right. Nice. Doing great. Thanks for dropping in. I'm just waiting for the market open because we are consolidating in this area. And there's nothing to do in this range. Nothing. We have to break somewhere from here to the up, to the downside. I'm not sure. We have to break somewhere. We just have to. We need to. There's no other way. Yeah, the idiot box. They named it after me. Tom Sabo box. That's crazy. I never knew that, you know, my legacy is going to be a box. My legacy in trading is going to be an idiot box that is named after me. Oh, guys. Yeah. It's gonna be very hard to you know, get away from that. I think I might have to take my own revenge, you know. I feel like I might have to come up with something good, something catchy that's easy to remember for him. I mean, for his name. To I don't know. Maybe I'm going to ask ChatGPT, who knows, to come up with some ideas. Tom Sabonetics. Yeah. I'm gonna do something, some methodical box or something. Actually, you know, when you say methodical box, it's better than saying Tom Sabo box. The methodical box. Yeah, for Boss Smith, yeah. For a methodical box, it sounds better, right? For if I say methodical box, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna come up with a better. I know he likes to trade inversion gaps, so I'm gonna come up with something crazy, and I'm gonna you know, copyright that. I don't know. The Tom Sabo box. Come on, VUZHX. You're smart. You should know. The Tom Sabo box is basically a consolidation range. That's it. That's it. Feelings too sometimes. Yeah, me too. I think every one of us who is trading. I do that on evaluation accounts, but it's a bad thing because, I mean, for me, it's a bad thing. It's building me bad habits. Yeah. I know myself. It's not good for having good habits, or I mean, it's a bad thing. But I only go crazy on evaluation accounts most of the time. Yeah. The magnet is working, guys. Almost at 53 actually. If you're in a position or whatever, I would be taking profit here because, you know, getting so close to this level before market open, there could be some profit taking, but it's up to you. If I would be sitting in this for a while, I wouldn't care about and anyway, it's too late, it's going back down. But if I would be sitting in this for a while, I would be taking profits just to make sure. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Gold stuck down there. Let's see, what else do we have? Ba ba ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. All right. We are just waiting, guys. Nothing to do. Part of the summer, and we're just starting out, you know. We are just starting out. 13 more minutes until they open. Let's see. Ba-dum bum bum bum. Ba-dum bum bum bum. This is trading, guys. What can I say? That's how usually things are working. You just wait and wait and keep on waiting, no matter what. Oh man, 10 more minutes. So boring. So boring. I want to see some action. I want to see some action. This is so typical. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that would be an idea. Go take out the 4-hour level, whatever, and you know, maybe something like this. This would be something I'm interested. But if this is not the thing that's gonna happen, I'm also looking to go back to above the 900s or whatever. I don't really see good targets up there. The more juicier ones are down. I don't know. That's the plan. Martin, I hope a short. We have a double top. Yeah, Martin. If I get my structure and my displacement, I'm jumping in. I'm definitely jumping in if I have my structure shift with the displacement. That's for sure. So let's go, everyone. I'm gonna fall asleep. I can't even drink more coffee. The more coffee I drink, the more sleepier I get. I don't know why. Dude, I'm keep getting these discount codes from Dungeons and Dragons Trader. How are they still in business? Anybody gives them money still? I don't know. Now I'm absolutely patient. Ashevs, I am, trust me, I am patient. Even if I just see the market moving, that would be great. I don't really looking to jump into anything crazy here. I just want to see things moving. That's all. That is all. Let's see. Getting ready. Getting ready for the open. Moo in 9. What is that? Move or moo? We should be getting some action. Let's see what's going on. Oh man. I'm gonna fall asleep. It's official. I'm gonna fall asleep. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys, about the yawning. I couldn't help myself. This was... I know it's rude to yawn here on stream, but I'm really sorry. I mean, it's like watching paint dry. We want to push the button. We want action. All right. Sorry, everyone. We're back. I had an urgent thing to do at the market open, unfortunately. So, what is happening? Nothing happened actually on Nasdaq, nothing. So we didn't miss anything yet. What is going on? No trade, no nothing. I haven't missed anything, yeah. I had to go out because family issue, but nothing happened. I would suppose that we're still gonna go for that 53 level. To my best knowledge. Dog is barking. That means bullish moves. But nothing is actually moving and changing. The thing is, I have some family business to attend to after 10 a.m. So I'm still thinking to keep the stream open or to close it and maybe come back for the PM session. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. NQ, let's go to NQ. Sorry. So NQ still in this consolidation area. I'd like to see it go higher. Let's check the 15 minutes, just a second. There are some fair value gaps below. But, you know, if I would have to guess, that 4-hour level is very close. No, it's going down a little bit. Back to the midnight open, maybe. No displacement so far. Let's see. I don't know if I would take a short if this one is breaking that level. For example, right now, if there is a displacement at 804, what would that give us? What would that break give us? For example, now. Let me close this. Let me delete that. Are we going down again? Are we really going down again? Because that would be weird. Yeah, I'm not feeling it too. I honestly, guys, I don't feel this market right now at this moment. I guess everybody's waiting for bad news from consumer confidence. Bad news. Yeah, a lot of liquidity is above, but if we look at the higher time frame, we can put the FIB tool here. Optimal trade entry level is down at 74.75-ish area. Yeah, could be sweeping more liquidity. Yeah, don't push the button until after news. And that's my problem actually, is that I'm gonna have to go to run an errand in the city after 10 a.m. So maybe I'll come back for the PM session. There is nothing I would like to trade here. Absolutely nothing. This is not interesting to me. I don't want to take a short on this because it's just unfinished. I'm 80 kilometers down south from Budapest. Yeah, I mean, I like to stay here and stream and talk to you guys, but obviously, I don't think I'm gonna take a short on this one. I just don't like it. Yeah, Hungary. Yeah. Sorry. So news in 20 minutes. What do you say, guys, that I'm gonna do a shortcut right now and come back for the PM session a little bit later. Maybe we will see some movement during the lunch hour. Yeah, because I just don't see anything. We're going to be waiting for news for 10, and then this news, by the way, this is not going to be a big news. The consumer confidence is not such a, it's a survey actually. It's a survey. So I don't expect anything special. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut the stream here and I'll try to come back for lunch hour PM session. Maybe we will have something extra during the PM session. All right, because I don't want to trade this. Full consolidation. Nothing is going to happen until 10 a.m. Absolutely nothing. Absolute useless. And after 10 a.m. there's also, we need like 30 minutes, 50 minutes to get a trade on. So guys, I think I'm going to cut it here and maybe I'm going to be back later. All right, how about that? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, do like the stream, and support the channel with some codes and links there. And see you guys maybe later. All right. I'm sorry, but I have some stuff to do, personal issues with family I have to deal with in the city, and I'll be back. All right. Have a good one. Be safe. Cheers, everybody.